Hello friends, welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to tell you regarding Google Search Console Performance Report. This report is all about your content and your website, where you can see that what content is actually performing for you, what are the keywords where your website is being shown in Google organic search, what are the pages of your website you are performing for you, and what are the pages best performing, what are the pages which is not performing, what is actually your average position, what are the keyword you are getting traffic from. So this is a report where you can devise your content strategy after evaluating it, and you can work on your website, your technology, your content, and your performance of your each individual page. So now I'm going to show you one of the report for my website isearchhotel.com. You can see that I am seeing last 3 month report, and you can also change your website if you have more than one website. So you can change your performance report from here. You can load your performance report from left menu, performance tab. From here you can be landed onto performance report. So what are the indicators available is you will be getting data for clicks, impressions, average click through rate, and average position your website is getting. So now for the last 3 months, my website is getting 1.62k. Okay, and total impressions I'm getting is almost 7 lakh or 700k. So these are the impressions I'm getting. Average click through rate is 0.2%. So this is not good. So this is saying that I have to work on my website. So average position is also very far from first or second page. So this also says that I have to work on this. So there are other indicators available is the queries for which my website is being shown. So this is actually list of queries Google is showing my pages for. So I have 1000 queries available. So I can also analyze what are the keywords actually my website is being shown, so that if my targeted keywords are being used by Google and my pages are being shown for, then it means my website is working great. And if keywords are not as per what I have targeted, then it means I have to work on my website. So other indicators are what are the pages being shown into Google search. So I can see the list of pages, and for each page I can also see how many clicks I am getting in last 3 months, and what are the impressions I am getting, and what is the click through rate for that page, and what is the position. And the same data is also available for queries, and also other indicator is country. So if you are targeting for a specific country and you are getting traffic from that country, it means you are heading on to right direction, and you have to continuously working on your performance and on your content. So it means you will achieve your target after some time. But if country you are targeting is not being shown, you are not getting traffic from that country, it means something is wrong and you have to change your content strategy. So so you can also have device report. So what are the actually devices my website is being shown? So mobile is actually being used vastly, so I am getting major traffic from mobile. So it might be this is actually my website is optimized for webs for mobiles. So if you are not getting traffic for mobile, you might have to work on the mobile aspect of your website. Might be that you have to work on responsiveness and mobile friendly behavior of your website. So this report tells you where you are heading and what you need to do if you are heading wrong. So search appearance is another indicator. So this tells you web light results, and you have one more report where you can see that what is the day or date where you are getting most, what are the dates where you are getting traffic, or what traffic you are getting on the specific dates. So you can analyze this report also for if you are getting on a some specific day, means like if you are getting more traffic on Sunday, So you can see that you have something where you can apply coupons, discounts you can offer. Or if you are not getting traffic on some single day, so you might have to work something, you have to offer something, some exceptional or some exceptional content on that day. So you can run some marketing campaigns on that day, so that you can get more traffic. So this report you can utilize. There is one more feature which is very useful. You can export this report. You can export this report to Google Sheets, and you can download also as a Excel and CSV. So if I click on Google Sheets, now my report is being exported to Google Sheets, where I will be having a full control of my data. I can filter it, I can sort it, I can analyze my reports here also. Same report is available in your sheet so that you can work on it. I like one aspect I used to see in my reports, what are the keywords which are majority in is being shown for. So if I go for hotel, you can see that my website is being shown for hotel keyword in 711 keywords out of 1000 keywords. So I think it's a something which I can cheer for. Oh, so you can also analyze your content. If I go to resort keyword, so you can see that resort keyword is being used as a keyword in 60 times for my 60 time in organic search, and my pages are being shown. So I think this is something you can do for your website, and you can analyze your keywords and your content. You have here, so you have pages report, same as you would be seeing into search console. You can see country report, you can see devices report, you have search appearance report, you have date wise report. So everything is available here. You can sort it here, you can analyze it. So you can devise your strategies. So friends, I think this video would be helpful for you to devise your content strategy for your website. If you like this video, like it and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to channel so that new videos should come to you as soon as they arrive. Thank you.